In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save your Canva design in 2025. Canva makes saving effortless, but knowing the process can really boost your workflow and keep your project secure. Let's dive right in. The first thing to know is that Canva has an auto-save feature. Every change you make is saved automatically in the background. So even if your computer crashes or you close your browser by mistake, your progress is safe. To confirm this, look at the top left corner of your Canva screen. You'll see a small status indicator that shows when all your changes have been saved. This way, you can stay focused on being creative without worrying about hitting a save button. Now, once your design is ready, you'll probably want to download it to your device. To do this, head over to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the menu that appears, select Download. A pop-up will open where you can choose your file type, like JPG, PNG, or PDF, depending on whether you need it for print or digital use. After selecting your format, click Download again. Canva will prepare your file, and within moments, it'll be saved to your computer. Just be sure to remember where it's stored so you can easily find it later. And that's it. With autosave working in the background and a simple download option at your fingertips, saving your Canva designs has never been easier. Keep creating with confidence, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.